More and more people today are concerned about emergency power, and a portable generator can supply that, but it can only back up the things that are plugged directly into the generator. On the other hand, a Generac automatic standby generator powers entire circuits and everything on them. For example, if you choose to back up the family room, the generator will power the TV, stereo, lamps, ceiling fans, and lights. Select the kitchen, and you'll be able to use your stove, refrigerator, microwave, overhead lights, and all of the outlets. Plus, a Generac automatic standby unit is on the job 24/7. Just like your central air conditioner, the generator works automatically when you need it and shuts off when you don't. It constantly monitors the utility, so when the power goes out, the generator starts itself and delivers power to your home within seconds. When the utility is back online, the generator shuts itself off until the next outage. It runs off your home's existing natural gas or LP fuel supply, so unlike a portable generator, it never needs to be refueled. Once a week, it will automatically run a brief self-test to ensure that everything is working properly when you need it. With a Generac standby generator, you can enjoy peace of mind and never feel powerless knowing that your home and family are protected even when you're not there.